Welcome to Orlando, Florida, the city of theme parks, sunshine, and endless adventure. Whether you're here for the thrill rides or the hidden gems, let's explore everything you need to know for your first trip. Let's start with the crown jewel, Walt Disney World. This isn't just one park. It's 4 magical kingdoms. Magic Kingdom brings fairy tales to life with classic attractions and beloved characters. The parades and fireworks here are absolutely spectacular. Next up is Universal Orlando Resort, where movies come to life. Step into the wizarding world of Harry Potter, where you can cast spells with interactive wands and ride the Hogwarts Express. The rides here are known for cutting-edge technology and heart-pounding thrills. For a different perspective, head to Icon Park on International Drive. The wheel offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the entire city. Visit at sunset for the most spectacular experience. The park also features Madame Tussauds, Sea Life Aquarium, and great dining options. When you need a peaceful break, Lake Eola Park is downtown Orlando's beautiful oasis. Rent a swan boat, walk the scenic path around the lake, or simply relax and watch the fountain show. It's where locals come to unwind. Don't miss the Kennedy Space Center, just an hour from Orlando. Experience real spacecraft, meet astronauts, and learn about America's space program. It's an inspiring journey through space exploration history. Orlando's food scene is incredible, starting with the famous Cuban sandwich. This pressed sandwich combines ham, roasted pork, Swiss cheese, pickles, and mustard on authentic Cuban bread. Try it at Black Bean Deli for the real deal. Expect to pay around $10 to $14 for this delicious taste of Florida's Cuban heritage. Being in Florida means incredible fresh seafood is always on the menu. From sweet stone crabs to flaky grouper, many restaurants serve fish caught that very morning. Visit the Ocean Air for upscale dining, or High Tide Harry's for a casual atmosphere. Prices range from $20 to over $50 depending on your choice. For the adventurous, try Florida's unique specialty Gator Bites. Yes, real alligator. It tastes like chicken but with a slightly chewier texture. Black Hammock Restaurant offers Gator Bites with a view of live gators in the lake below. A shareable appetizer costs around $15 to $20. It's a true Florida experience. You can't leave the Sunshine State without trying fresh squeezed orange juice. Florida's citrus groves produce incredibly sweet, refreshing juice that tastes nothing like store-bought versions. Find it at farmers markets, roadside stands, and breakfast spots throughout the city. For a fun experience, visit Showcase of Citrus, where you can pick your own oranges and have them juiced immediately. Timing your visit right makes a huge difference in your Orlando experience. The best times are spring, March to May, and fall, September to November. You'll enjoy pleasant weather, lower humidity, and much smaller crowds than summer or winter holidays. This means shorter wait times and a more relaxed atmosphere for everyone. Florida's sun is intense, so protection is essential. Pack sunscreen, wear hats and sunglasses, and stay hydrated throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle. Most parks have free refill stations. Your feet will thank you for comfortable walking shoes after a long day of exploring. Book everything in advance to avoid disappointment and save money. This includes park tickets, hotel rooms, and dining reservations. Popular restaurants, especially inside the parks, book up weeks or months ahead. Planning ahead ensures you get to do everything on your must-do list while often saving money on tickets. Florida's famous afternoon rain showers are part of the experience, especially in summer. These storms appear suddenly, bring heavy rain for 30 to 60 minutes, then disappear just as quickly. Don't let them ruin your day. Pack a lightweight poncho or small umbrella. Duck into shops or indoor attractions to wait it out. The rain often cools things down and drives crowds away. It's not always a bad thing. From magical theme parks to delicious local flavors, Orlando is a place where every moment becomes an adventure. Start planning your trip today and make memories that will last a lifetime. Orlando awaits you. Your magical adventure starts now.